Hey, this is Just Peachy. Welcome to my Unity series on how to create an avatar for VRCHAT. Let's jump right into it. Welcome to part 1 of my Unity series for creating your own VRCHAT avatar. We've already spent the last 5 videos making our avatar in Blender. Now we're moving it over to Unity where it really begins to come to life. So right now I have what is called the Creator Companion open. This is what you need with Unity to manage your VRCHAT projects. So I'm going to create a new project, go to Avatars 2022 and give this a name. I'm going to put Tick Tutorial. And create projects. This takes a second, so there'll be a lot of fast forwarding and editing here, just because some of the Unity processes take a long time. Alright, so now I'm going to go through and choose the packages I want to run my stuff. The most important one you're going to want to make avatars is VRC Fury, right here. So I'm going to take that and go up to the top and install the newest version. I'm going to do that for the VRCHAT SDK base. This is just installing these programs into our project. Same for VRCHAT SDK avatars. I'm going to do the same for AV3 emulator, gesture manager, avatars 3.0 manager, BuddyWorks poses extension, BuddyWorks avatar dynamics, Loco, and for this project the last one will be Poyomi Toon Shader. Once all of those are installed up here, we are going to open the project. Now we'll wait for this project to load. While it does, I'm going to pause and come back to this because this can take some time. Alright, now that we are back and the project is loaded, we are going to go ahead and save the file just to make a save. So open save or file save. So now it's got a little save. Alright, now I'm going to open up to where I saved my export and my project. So Blender tutorial model is her name. I'm going to pull the textures folder in first, the one we made with all the textures. One second, I forgot what I named the file. Okay, found the file, and we're going to drag the model we made in. Minimize. And then I'm going to drag in, after that loads, a few more things. Let's see. I'm going to pull in my fizz bones, which I will link below because we'll need those later. And I'm going to pull in some matte caps. Alright, so we've got everything in our project now that we need, I'm pretty sure. Oh, nope, our model didn't come in. Let's go get her again. As Bob Ross says, no mistakes, just happy accidents. I'm very tired. And a lot of this takes some time, so there's going to be a lot of wait time. Unity's a little slower than Blender. Okay, the next thing I like to do is I'm going to left click in here, or right click in here, create a folder, and I want to call it textures. Oop, I didn't spell that right, but it's okay. Okay. So first things first, we've imported her, and now we're going to fix her, we're going to pull her into the scene. So we're going to click her and pull her into this box right here. Boom. And it pulls our girl out, but man, is she looking funny. Her textures are all messed up, she's looking shiny. Let me show you how to fix that. First, we are going to extract the textures from the prefab. That sounds crazy, but it's easy. We're going to open this little arrow, and every one of these little circles we're going to select. So I'm going to click each one, and control click so I can click more than one. Once you have them all highlighted, I'm going to right click, extract from prefab, and extract that into the textures folder we just created. Alright, 2 textures didn't make it. Let's click those, do the same thing. Okay. Now we're going to go to that textures folder. I like to select all of them at the same time. Go up here where it says materials, 21 materials, drop down and go to Poyomi Tune. While everything is still selected, I like to do a couple extra things. Going under shading, light data, I like to go down here and click force light color, and then I like to drag it down where it's not so bright. That makes my avatar bright in the worlds and not dark, like where it looks like they're like in the dark. Then I like to scroll all the way down to rendering, and I like to change it to off. Alright, now let's quickly fix these textures. So I'm going to click her hair, and over here is the shader for the hair. I'm going to open it, drop down to colors and normals, right here in the texture box. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to go find our hair texture. Same thing for this other hair. I like to close these when I'm done with them, just because it makes things a little neater. her shirt and her pants. Click the pants. Let's go find our pants texture. And then the pants alpha, we put in the alpha map. And then if you wanted to have that cut out see-through look, we're going to change the opaque to trans clipping. And we've got that look that we were looking for. Same thing with our shirt. We're going to fix the opacity there. There we go. She's got her little see-through top. Everything's stacked on top of each other right now, but that's okay. And we're gonna fix these eyebrows and lashes. Click on the head and find the face. It's got its right color in. We're gonna go to the transparent and change it to trans clipping. Boom. Now we need to go to, where are my eyes at? We need eyes. Okay. I'm gonna go to our eye color, change it to this pretty blue. And the thing is looking weird. I'm gonna change my kohl. Okay, yeah. For this, I just changed the culling under rendering to back, and it fixed the eyes. It's only like that on this model, and I don't know why. Alright, so we've imported it in and fixed our textures. So she's looking cute, and she'll be ready for the next step, which would be adding our model rig. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, follow, and subscribe.